you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's going on? So into this video, it's just like a mini update on my pregnancy video. How much weeks I am today. I don't have a lot of energy actually right now, but I'm just trying to put this video out so you guys know what going on right now, following my other videos from before. So few things that's going on right now. Into how much weeks am I again? I think 30 weeks. Let me double check and tell you guys if it's 30 weeks and how many days. 30 weeks and about 2 days. It's a little bit different calculated with my doctors. They said that maybe I'm about 30 weeks and about 4 days, so it's not too far off anyways, because everybody knows you can't get an exact date, you know what I mean? So into this video, the symptoms that I'm having into week 30 is my still low hemoglobin. Hopefully I said that right. Low hemoglobin. My iron level is not so low. They said the hemoglobin is low, which is causing me to have a lot of dizziness. I get nausea coming on back right now, and weakness, a lot of weakness, and me just don't have the energy whatsoever. So I did blood tests this week, actually yesterday. I did blood test this week, did a blood test last week and about 2 weeks ago, and I haven't got back the result for this week one, but the last week one that I did, that blood test showed that the hemoglobin is lower than before. So they're checking some other things like my vitamin B level, vitamin D level, so all of those they're checking right now. So I'm just waiting on the result for that to see what to do, because they was going to give me iron medicine in my through IV, right? So I'm not sure what the next thing that they would plan to do if those vitamins are low. Obviously they probably tell me if we just kind of up with those vitamins and see if that will help. But yeah, I'll see. I honestly don't know about the hemoglobin thing. I don't know like how to treat it. So hemoglobin, if you don't know about hemoglobin is your red blood cell that carry oxygen to different parts of your body, and basically my red blood cell is down, and no matter what me try or no matter what me eat, even though I can't eat much of certain things because otherwise me go vomit, so in that sense I think it's not contributing to having a better blood count, I would say. So that's the biggest thing me actually I go through right now into symptoms for week 30, and it's a struggle because you wake up, especially having a toddler around. I'm more than toddler, it's a preschooler now. Having a preschooler around, so you have to be doing stuff same way, right? You know, my husband is at work, me have to be doing stuff same way around, so me can't exactly just lay around into bed, which I would want to, and then it's not really recommended too as well, because me not just want to just lay down around, you know, me take up myself and just at least do a little walk around, do a little thing, do my daily things that me normally do basically. So with that now, that's the biggest thing may I go through with week 30. And for symptoms, breast still sore, nausea, as I said, is coming back. Itchiness, I have a lot of itchiness all over. I have to load myself with a lot, especially right after a shower. I have to load myself with a lot of either coconut oil or olive oil or cocoa butter or something that keeps my skin oily, not even just moist, keeps my skin oily. Otherwise I go scratch all over. Me now just talk about my belly doesn't really scratch me that much. I'm not even worried about stretch mark at this point, because I have stretch mark from my son before, and it's not a big deal to me, honestly. It's not a big deal, so I don't worry about that, you know, that whatever with that. It's just the itchiness me can't stand. So me have to actually, as me leave the shower, me can't completely dry off right as me come out of the shower. Me have to put on a lot of lotion, a lot of something will keep my skin oily if you avoid that, especially in a winter now. My skin is even more dry, right? Also been craving a few different type of food, and yeah, not crazily, but a few different type of food. Not into the whole pickle thing like how some people want pickle, but may I crave something more sour. I would say sour and a little salty at the same time. Not loving sweet things right now. What should I say? Yeah, they're not loving sweet things right now, and feeling baby a lot more, not so much seen. You can see a little bit on the outside. Baby is mostly active into the evening to night. Feel a lot of kicks now, a lot of probably stretches and stuff like that. I do feel that. Don't see a lot on the outside, but I do feel it closer to my skin. No, that me can feel like the baby a brace a certain way, and me can touch that area and the baby would move. Right. What else I would say for it? Oh yeah, feeling a lot more thirsty now. In my previous pregnancy, before coming to the ending, about 7 or 8 months, I was drinking a lot of water, like constantly. I was thirsty, and it wasn't like room temperature water I was thirsty for. I was thirsty for ice cold water. With this pregnancy, it's the same thing. I'm always thirsty for water, not drink. Even if we drink a soda or drink or juice or something, me still feel thirsty, because that not quenches quench your thirst. So we still want water. Right now my mouth kind of dry right now. What else I must say? Yeah, there's not a lot of symptoms for this one. Don't have swollen ankles, don't have anywhere swollen, just the weakness and stuff like that we kind of deal with right now, and the occasional vomiting and nausea when I get back now from into the first part of the pregnancy. And it just the lack of that energy just make me just feel blah. What else I would say? Do feel a little emotional at times, do feel a little grumpy at times, do feel I may easily get upset at times. I honestly do feel that. Yeah, so the emotional part of it, I do feel a little bit different, a little bit more sensitive to things at times. No, but yeah, that really sums it up. I have all of my ultrasound them finish, like the doctor recommended before finish, but since she had checked with the hemoglobin and the growth rate of my belly, like the centimeters them now by the measure, and with the amount of weeks that I am, it's measuring about 5 weeks over. So she wants for me to go get an ultrasound done. Me already booked that already. Get an ultrasound done to just check up to make sure say it's not like extra fluid, them say something like that, or to see if it's the baby too big, or them just want to have an idea why. It's the third time I actually go in for my doctor's appointment. I'm in belly and measure at least 4 or 5 weeks over what it actually supposed to be, comparing to my estimate due date. So may have one next doctor's appointment in about 2 weeks, because there's nothing like extremely going on more than what I'm going through right now, which are the blood work they only can do. And if there's any emergency, if me I feel any pain, belly pain, any bleeding or anything, them say must go into labor and delivery, which I'm not, thank God. Right, me don't feel like baby is down. Baby not get down yet. Baby still feel high, so me know say it's not time yet. At least me not go fall into premature labor. Thank God, that's all me I pray for. Me just know my body and me feel that it's just that me don't feel. My body just don't feel 100. But pregnancy wise, my body feel okay for pregnancy wise, just the weakness and stuff me I deal with. Yeah, I guess that's about it, guys. This is just gonna be a short video and just to update you guys about the pregnancy and stuff like that I've been going through. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you my 30 weeks baby bump. I'm going to show you how it look. You don't see my face right now because of how the angle of the camera is. I just want to show you the bump, how it look. So this is the bump front way, under the shirt and stuff like that. Sometimes I pull my ties come all the way up here, sometimes I don't. This is it sideways. Baby's mostly up here, this side. From that angle, sideways. And put my shirt up. Yes, I do have a birthmark. If you didn't notice, I have a birthmark. Right. I have a birthmark right here. It's the front way. This angle. Maybe right here. Yep. Yes, I guess that's it. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in my other video. Alright, later.